Are you looking for a reliable way to unlock financial freedom in 2023? Dividend stocks offer an excellent opportunity for investors to grow their wealth over time. Investing in dividend stocks can help you establish a passive income stream and attain the financial freedom you desire. We will discuss the best dividend stocks that can help you unlock financial freedom in 2023. Johnson & Johnson, a huge transformation underway. Johnson & Johnson, J&J, is one of the most reliable dividend stocks on the market today. With a strong track record of performance and a long history of returning cash to shareholders, J&J offers investors an attractive opportunity for passive income. In addition, the company is undergoing a major transformation that promises to further increase shareholder value and make J&J an even better investment in the future. There are fewer than 50 dividend kings or companies that have boosted dividends every year for at least 50 consecutive years, among the thousands of stocks listed in the U.S. today. One of them is Johnson & Johnson, Johnson & Johnson 0.99%, which will grow its dividend for the 60th year in a row in 2022. Throughout the years, the stock and its dividend increase have made tenacious investors quite wealthy. J&J is participating in a major transformation that has the potential to make it one of the most valuable companies in the world. J&J plans to increase its revenue by 20% per year. J&J's business is also diversifying, expanding into areas such as connected health, consumer health, and healthcare services. Due to these efforts and others, the company is projected to have a market value of $250 billion within 10 years. In 2011, Johnson & Johnson was listed on Fortune magazine's list of world's most admired companies at number 1 in the pharmaceutical industry. In addition, Forbes ranked Johnson & Johnson as the world's most valuable healthcare company in 2017. Johnson & Johnson's dividends are so secure due to 3 considerations. First off, the healthcare industry is a dependable one, and Johnson & Johnson is the biggest, most varied manufacturer of medical supplies in the world. Around 29 of its platforms or products have annual sales of over $1 billion each.
Second, Johnson & Johnson emphasizes cash flows and keeps a sound balance sheet. Finally, Johnson & Johnson spends all of that money wisely. After investing in R&D and possibilities for expansion like mergers and acquisitions, it distributes additional funds as a dividend.
American States Water, an unknown passive income beast. American States Water is an overlooked dividend stock that can be a great addition to your passive income portfolio. It is one of the largest investor-owned water utilities in the United States, providing safe and reliable drinking water and wastewater services to more than 270,000 customers in California. The company also has a history of dividend growth and has raised its dividends for 62 consecutive years. Investing in this stock can provide investors with a steady stream of passive income while also enabling them to reap the long-term benefits of capital appreciation. The company has a current yield of about 6.4% and is keeping pace with inflation. The dividend yield is calculated by dividing the total dividend amount by the price of a share. Dividends are payments made to shareholders out of company profits, which are used to reward shareholders for their investment in a company's shares over time. Get this dividend powerhouse right away if you don't already have it. American States Water had a good year in 2022 as it increased its dividend by 8.9% and declared its long-term goal to increase it at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of more than 7%. According to the company's past performance, which increased dividends at a CAGR of 9.2% between 2012 and 2022 due to capital expenditures that consistently supported rate-based growth, the value of the assets used to supply services and upon which tariffs are based, it is an achievable goal. In the interim, American States Water is actively submitting bids for more military installations that are slated for privatization. That's possibly one of the greatest overall. In the coming years, dividends could increase by a CAGR of more than 7% while still leaving the company with plenty of cash to pursue growth opportunities. This is one of the best and safest dividend profiles available on the stock markets today. Dividends have increased annually for more than 6 decades. This is precisely the kind of stock you should purchase to ensure lifetime passive income. Enterprise Products Partners, a new upcoming dividend king. Enterprise Products Partners, EPD, is an ideal dividend stock for investors who are looking for reliable and consistent income. The company has a long track record of increasing its dividend every year, resulting in it becoming one of the so-called dividend kings. EPD offers a high yield and is also backed by a strong balance sheet, which gives it a significant advantage over other dividend-paying stocks. Additionally, the company's business model provides stability and allows for growth as well. As such, investors who are looking to benefit from regular income should definitely consider investing in this stock. Although the energy industry is crucial to the economy, investors frequently avoid oil and gas companies due to the volatility of the commodity markets. They're not entirely mistaken though. In 2020, following a sharp decline, oil prices even turned negative for the first time in history. Yet, not all oil and gas companies are affected by fuel costs, which is why the sector is home to some excellent dividend stocks that not only paid but even boosted dividends even in the most trying times. They are the kinds of stocks that can continue to provide you with passive income even in an unstable oil market. One such stock is Enterprise Products Partners, EPD -0.60%. An energy infrastructure business that charges fees is called Enterprise Products Partners. Under long-term agreements for the pipeline transportation of crude oil, natural gas liquids, processed goods, and petrochemicals. The corporation is currently working on projects worth close to $5.5 billion, several of which will go into operation this year and increase its cash flow. Thank you for watching.